Hello students, now from your English supplementary movement, we will start our lesson number 7, the last leave. Now before starting the explanation of that lesson, there it is the introduction of that lesson is, it is autumn. All of you know the autumn is a season. The wind is blowing hard and it is raining heavily. All the leaves on an ivy creeper have fallen except one. Why doesn't the last leaf fall? यहाँ पर आपको बता रहा है ऑटम का महीना है, ऑटम चल रहा है, जो हवा है वो बहुत तेज चल रही है और बहुत तेज बारिश हो रही है। सारी एक आईवी क्रीपर है, उसकी सारी पत्तियां जो हैं वो गिर चुकी हैं, फॉल हो चुकी हैं, एक्सेप्ट वन, एक को छोड़कर। सो व्हाई डजंट द लास्ट लीफ फॉल? तो जो लास्ट लीफ है वो क्यों नहीं गिरी? सो दिस आंसर वी फाइंड व्हेन we read the lesson. So I start the explanation of that lesson, students. Like Sue and John C. were young artists. They were friends and shared a flat on the third story of a house. Once in November, John C. had an attack of pneumonia. She had high fever and thought she would not get well. The doctor told Sue that no medicine can cure her friend till she had a will to live. Sue tried hard to revive her friend's interest in life but failed. Then she brought her drawing board in John C.'s room. She started painting and whistling a cheerful tune to brighten the mood of her friend. It was then she heard John C.'s whisper. She was looking out of the window and counting backwards. At Sue's inquiry, she told her that she was counting the falling leaves of the ivy creeper that was climbing the brick wall opposite her window. She also told her that she would die when the last leaf would fall. Now Sue told her that it was a silly of her to associate her life with the falling leaves. It was autumn season. Moreover, it was windy and raining heavily. The falling of leaves were natural. But John C. was not convinced. She had formed a strong belief that she would die with the falling of the last leaf. As students, you see in that picture that this is John C. and this is Sue, and this one is an ivy creeper, and John C. associate her life with these ivy creeper leaves, and she thought that if all the leaves, when all the leaves had fallen, she will die. Now Sue then went to Behrman. He was a 60 years old painter who lived on the ground floor of the same house. Behrman had a lifelong dream to paint a masterpiece, but for the time being he acted as a model for the other artist. Sue went to him to ask him to act as a model of an old miner. Sue told Behrman about John C.'s sickness and her silly belief. That night it rained heavily and the wind blew very hard. When in the morning John C. asked Sue to open the window, she got worried, but both felt relieved, for the last leaf was climbing to the ivy creeper. This changed John C.'s belief. She thought perhaps it was wicked of her to think of dying. She drank soup and combed her hair. Her interest in life was revived. The doctor was happy to see the change in John C. He told the friends that he had to see another patient, an old painter, Mr. Behrman, for he was also suffering from pneumonia. So students, to see this picture, you can find that why the old Behrman got pneumonia. क्यों ओल्ड बेहरमैन को निमोनिया हो गया? The next day, Sue told John C. that Behrman had died of pneumonia. When the real last leaf had fallen, Behrman painted a leaf that looked so real that Johnsy could not make out that it was not the real leaf but only a painting. It was Behrman's masterpiece. It was raining heavily and the chilly wind was blowing, so Behrman caught cold and high fever. The ladder, bowls of green and yellow colors, brushes and a lighted lamp told the whole story. Behrman had done a supreme sacrifice. He had saved the life of a girl by painting his masterpiece, a real looking ivy leaf. So students, I hope you understood the story that old Behrman sacrificed his life for saving the girl. He painted a leaf on the wall. Then when Johnsy saw that this last leaf had not fallen and she also get well. So he painted a leaf which one is not real, it one is his masterpiece. So students, your homework is to read this lesson and try to understood it once again.